Well, hello, I am Anne-Marie. I am so glad you are joining me today. We will be working on our mobility for our hips and our back. So let's start right now. Let's start with giving ourselves a big hug. Big hug. Ooh. Other, maybe the arm that was on top and up at the bottom. You don't remember which, that's okay. Maybe inhaling big. Exhaling the air out as we hug. Big inhale. Exhale. Nice hug. We're gonna greet ourselves. So, hello me. Hello me. Oh. With this, just exhale all the air out. Inhale, full belly. Exhale all the air out around your back. Inhale, belly forward. Exhale, belly back. Forward and back. Oh. Let's say hello to ourselves. Hello me, hello me. Hello me on our back right now. Oh, yes. Such a nice day too. Nice day here for yoga on our back. And maybe bringing one leg over the other here. Knees are up. You can hug them a little bit. A little sway side to side. We're not doing big movements yet. We're just feeling our body. See how everything is feeling. Remember which leg is on top. And let's switch that. And just bring them towards you. Maybe on an exhale. Maybe just remember to breathe. It's all good. Nice little eagle legs here. Eagle arm. Hands together. Hello me. Hello me. And just cross your arm as you're gonna give yourself a big hug again. And keep your elbow one against the other and just bring the back of your hands towards the other. They don't have to touch. If you want, you can grab your hands. It's optional. And just relax that. Relax that. We're going to do the same with our legs. So my left arm's on top of my right. So I'm going to put my right leg over my left. And then maybe bring the toes under for a little eagle legs, eagle arms on our back. Now inhale the elbows up, exhale the hands away. This is very small movement, very small. If it doesn't feel good, come out of it. Just breathe here, and on an inhale, just bring your knee up towards your elbow, maybe lifting the shoulder. Very small movement. This is like fun and easy, so gentle yoga. Big inhale, elbow up, hands away, exhale towards the knees. Maybe lifting the shoulder. Careful with your neck. If that doesn't feel good, skip stuff like that. And very slowly we unwind everything. And other side. Now my right arm's going over my left. If you had your right before, now it's your left. And the opposite leg goes over. Maybe wrap, maybe not. You can add your little eagle arm. You can keep it as a hold, whatever works for you. Sometimes one of our side just doesn't want to, and that's fine. Big inhale, exhale, knees towards the elbows. Exhale, down. Inhale. Now, look at my elbows are up, my hands are away. Exhale all the air out. And come back very gently, coming out of there. Gentle. Do your side. Oh, take your time. Your head spin. You're right there already. Just get back down. Oh, we're gonna have our arms say hello to each other different ways. So hello me, hello everybody, parts of me. So I'm just gonna bring one leaf forward here. You can keep that like that. If you want, only if it feels nice on the hip. If not, stay there. Adjust your position to what works for you. Huh? And maybe straightening the legs. See how it feels here on the hip. Maybe nailing the arms up a little bit, maybe a lot. And with my hip, I'm just gonna turn my hip. I'm still looking at you. Now my shoulder, I'm gonna brace here against my knee. My other hand goes in the back. Hello me. Hand facing you. Maybe hello you to me and hello me to me. To you. Me, you. Oh. Very gently. Let's go on the other side. Again. You can stay like whatever, casual, if that's what you feel like today. It's all good. If possible, the knee goes towards the mat. Nice inhale here, reset. And when you are ready, maybe bring the leg over if it wants to go. Ideally, we want both sit bones on the ground. So mine is lifting a little bit, so I'm just gonna bring my leg around and do it this way. Inhale up, exhale, twist. Nice arm around, keep breathing here. Hello me, hello you. Hello me, oh knee, remember to go towards the mat. Just a couple breaths here. Oh, maybe looking around. Coming back to center. Oh, nice little seat. Maybe you will go on butterfly, or you can stay like that. If you want to go on butterfly, your knee don't have to touch the mat. Mine don't do that anymore. That's okay. Maybe without pressing, just guiding your legs down. Inhale tall and exhale forward towards your toes. Nose goes inhaling with length and exhaling towards your toes. We don't want to breathe our feet. We want to exhale down our feet and inhale forward. That's a little trick to remember what movement to do here. Gently, gently come up. Just relax everything here. Let's do a little cobbler. It's almost the same thing. Arms away here. Right. Oh, a little length. Exhale around your back. Maybe you want to bring your arms around. You don't have to lift your leg. I'm just gonna grab them like that. You can put your feet back into your butterfly. You can stay in your cobbler. It's up to you. Lots of choices. Inhale and exhale. Hello feet. Hello me. Hello legs. How are you feeling? You need to check that. Gentle, gentle movement. Keep your feet wide. We're gonna bring our hands back and push our buns forward and maybe up. If they don't want to come up, just sit down. That is fine too. Making more room here for my arms. And this is all optional. You can still be sitting down. If you're sitting down, just put your hands together at the heart. Hello, heart. Ooh, just reset here. Just breathe a little bit. Maybe look around you, down and up. Make sure your neck is very relaxed. Tiny little circle if you wish. And when you're ready, we're leaning on one side. Just bring one foot to the side. The other one's gonna elongate. Ooh, oh my goodness. The joy of filming outdoor. I love it. There's always bugs and little leaves or something, and that comes with it. That's fine. Now, bring the legs to the side. Yep, we're pretty much facing forward if possible. Inhale, inhale. Oh, inhale. Exhale. Exhale towards the long leg. The other knee wants to come down. Shoulder is open. I got the sun on my face. I always have the sun in my face, no matter where I sit. Even if it's behind me, it's in my face, or so it seems. Oh, and the hand can be on the hip too, whatever you want. And inhale back, keep breathing. We're just switching side here. Oh, just switching side for a little side bend. Oh, just take a moment here, just reset. Hips fairly square forward. And opening the shoulder, open the shoulder here. Maybe arm wants to come up. Knee goes towards the mat as always. Nice little inner thigh stretch as a bonus here. Oh. Feels nice, stay a little bit longer, you're not sure, come out of it a little bit, and it's not for you, come out of it completely. You have choices. Let's take a nice staff pose, just the legs forward here. This is a quick little reset class, so we're not spending too much time on anything. We just want to get our hips and our back to feel nice. So maybe your toes want to come up a little bit for that nice calf stretch. Inhaling up, and your arms don't have to go up if they want to. Exhale, round your back, round your back. You didn't expect it, huh? Inhale back up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale back up. Next time you're round your back, stay there. And on your inhale, move forward towards your toes. You can hold them bend them a little bit if it feels good, like ooh, little foot massage. So with each inhale, you add a little length. With each exhale, you round. And we want to round before we give a little length. So round first and then inhale a little length. Stay there for a little while here. Feel free to bend your knees. Your knees are bent. That's cool. That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. That's good too. It's all good. Oh, my goodness. Let's get back on easy seat here. My goodness. Just take one arm up and tap me on the shoulder. The elbow is not open, but straight ahead. The other arm's gonna go in cow face. So I'm going in the back of me. See? The palm of my hand's going back. And just folding up. If your fingers touch, and if you can't see, if your fingers touch, you can grab your hands or just bring them one towards the other in the cow face. We're there just for a couple breaths. Exhale. Other side, tap, tap. Hello, me, you did great. We did great, right? Hey, we showed up. Thumb down, palm away. Shook. Come in the back. Now on this side, my hands don't reach at all. We all had a little injury preventing us from doing things. Could be bone issues, joints. We all have our little problem. The older you get, the more it seems to be there. Ooh. Ah, nice inhale, exhale. A little rocking side to side hug. Just relax your arms here. Ah. I am Anne-Marie, the yoga storyteller, and this is part of my outdoor series. And I'll be waiting for you over there. Feel free to do a few more if you wish. Pick and choose what fits for you today. And until then, I want to thank you for joining me today. And have a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.